Let's talk about space weather because it's just as important to monitor as the weather we have here on Earth.
A new next-generation satellite set to launch later this month will keep a watchful eye on the sun 24/7, and 10 TV's Meredith Garfalo has more.
There are many different ways the sun can impact Earth, even from approximately 93 million miles away. NOAA's next mission will include sending a satellite to space, built with a variety of tools to gather real-time information of the sun's activity, keeping you safe from geomagnetic storms that might be heading our way. NOAA's FWFO-L1 is set to head to space no earlier than September 23rd. And once it reaches its spot at approximately 1 million miles from our planet, it will orbit the sun and start collecting data around the clock. The operational observatory will be equipped with a unique solar telescope and different instruments that will be able to record when there are solar flares from sunspots and any other disturbances that could impact Earth. By gathering information on potential threats faster than ever before, forecasters will be able to provide key stakeholders such as the airlines, power grid operators, and even farmers more advanced warning in a shorter time frame than we've seen in the past.
This is dedicated to providing us with data as soon as possible, as accurately as possible, and as continuously as possible, meaning there will be as few interruptions as we can in the entire network.
Interesting fact, the satellite is quite large. It's as big as a compact car or a little larger than a washer and dryer stacked together.
These things are pretty big up there.
What are we going to learn from the sun?
Yeah.
You know, right now we have monitoring from different satellites, but it's not continuous. So if there is, we look for when aurora comes, if there is a solar flare that lets out a coronal mass ejection that's head toward Earth, aka creates a solar storm. Right now, we're delayed with getting that data. And sometimes with our forecast, we might say, oh, it'll come in like 2 hours, but instead it's slower or slows down, so it comes a lot later or earlier. This will be like 24/7, just like our GOES weather satellites that bring us that data. It's going to be the same type of thing, monitoring the sun's activity versus what we're seeing here on Earth.